Good morning. Again, we are starting male reproductive parts. Okay, first of all, we will learn the diagram, how to draw a simple diagram. Okay, okay. The diagram in 1 minute it is completed. Now we will discuss the parts. This is penis, and this is the hollow tube which carries the urine also and sperms also, semen also. That is called urethra. Okay, urethra. And at the junction where urethra fuses with the duct, with this tube, with the urinary bladder, the gland is present that is called prostate gland. Okay, okay. This gland is called seminal vesicles. Okay, now this structure, here I draw the testis and the tube that is arises and moves forward. This tube is, we call it vas deferens, and this is testis. Okay, I think in 2 minutes we have completed the diagram. In the penis, erectile tissues are present. This tube, this duct, we can say it is called urethra, that carry both semen also, sperms also, urine also, everything. And the even gland is present at the junction of this vas deferens and urethra, that is called prostate gland. And this structure is called urinary bladder. At the back of urinary bladder, it is called ureter, that combines the kidney to urinary bladder. So there is no role, but this testis is very important, and this tube vas deferens very important. And this skin sac is called scrotum. Scrotum sac we call it. Okay, what is very important? Diagram. In case of that, it is important, and the labeling is very important. It carries marks. And what is the role of scrotum? What happens for the production of sperms? I say healthy sperms. The temperature of testis requires 2 degree less than body temperature. That means, what is the normal body temperature? We know that approximately 98.4 is degree Fahrenheit is our body normal temperature. Okay, but if this scrotum moves downward at the age of puberty, at the age of adult age, and finally what happens, the temperature get reduced, and finally the temperature reduces, and finally testes start producing the sperms. But when it activates, when the hormones from pituitary release, and when that scrotum become active, it produce which hormone? Sorry, testis. Again we name testosterone hormone that bring the secondary changes in males. We already discussed in our last topic. Change of we can say growth of facial hair, growth of pimples, and broadening of shoulder, change of voice, all this just because of testosterone hormone. So this is the topic. Okay, and sperm already discussed with you. Sperm get matured in the testis, and finally they move through this vas deferens and finally reach here. Here the fluid from seminal vesicle also combine with that. When it moves a little bit forward, the prostate gland also secrete some fluid that also combine with that, and finally when all this thing combine, it is called semen, and the semen release out of this urethra, out of the penis. Okay, this is the whole process and the parts. If any doubt, you can comment. You can take this screenshot.